This is the video tutorial that is dedicated to help you remove the scary alerts related to the site Tecars.live. Tecars.live is a malicious site. It shows multiple fake security messages that claim that your computer, either your Mac or your Windows computer, are infected with some malware. But all these pop-ups are absolutely faulty. You should not trust whatever they tell you. Simply leave this deceptive page and don't tolerate it. Such pop-ups could be the result of some adware on the system, so we recommend you to carefully research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the application, install it, and begin examining the system. Combo Cleaner will definitely help you to detect and eliminate other infections. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threads which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threads, the locations of all these threads on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threads manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.